Chansi mwanangu mukazi wawo zibatira mupelavu sikazake uchi anova kuvandu mukazi wawo ziwanira mupelavu kamudiro koroliyita wo baby wai kana teteva kandibvunza ndinokupei.
It's happening each and every Saturday. We bring you different talent here at MAK Records. My name is Marshall and welcome to Let's Chat Music. Let's Chat Music. We've got Toothpick here in the studio.
Yeah,
Toothpick,
man.
welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, brother.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. I got a song called Mupe Love from Toothpick. We have him here in the studio today for a little chat with him. Hey, Toothpick, Mupe Love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. How are you?
I'm alright, man. I'm alright. And you, brother?
This is the first time when I greet somebody. You are so lucky, man. I don't usually greet anyone.
You know, I'm highly favored, brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right, Toothpick. The name Toothpick itself. Toothpick. What happened? Where did you get the name?
You know, I knew you would actually ask me that question, brother. Because a lot of people, they wonder, like, where really did I get that name? You know, I actually got that name from high school, back at school, man. I was way too thin, so my other friend, you know, he's into music as well. His name is T Bless as well.
All right.
Yeah, so he's the one who actually came about with that name and was like, man, since you're so thin, no, let's just
Call
name you
Toothpick.
Toothpick, man. That's how I got it, brother.
That was a nickname.
Yeah, that was a nickname. Then later on, you know, I decided to just, you know,
okay. Like the same phrase, you know. Shamisa kuona munhu akaita semi mukoma Toothpick mwine zita rekuti Toothpick, which is a nickname, and you took it to another level.
Exactly.
You understand? Yeah, it's amazing. Inini ndairwa nemunhu kandipa zita randisingadika, I would just go for a fight.
Obviously, zvibakira zvaitotsva.
Zvisingaite kana chikoro chaiko taitomirirana kuti na 4 o'clock chingobuda chete nendiriko gate ndakakumirira. Maona sikira chino. Okay, so mukoma Toothpick, tell us more about your music. All right, let me start this way. Okay. When did you started actually knowing that you were an artist?
You know, as for me, I would actually say I was born an artist, man.
Yeah,
you know, I was born an artist in the sense that, you know, in my family, we are all singers. You know, we used to like perform at not perform as such, but would actually participate in church, like would sing choruses, hymns and stuff.
How
like that.
old were you
like
then?
I was when I was young, man. I was like in grade 1, I think.
All right. So
so we used to like
7 years old.
Exactly.
Yeah. You were so young, man.
That was way young. Brother.
Okay, going to the studio then, like recording, started to record. To put your records on the record.
Getting into the studio, I think that was in 2003. 2003. That was in 2003. Back in Mutare.
Yeah.
I'm from Mutare, by the way. SaNhuka.
Yes, sir.
We actually did a track with SaNhuka Mparusa, with Mparusa crew. Yeah, and it was dope back then. But unfortunately, those records, they didn't come out. You know, something happened, and you know. But that was my first experience in the studio.
Studio. All right, and then the performance.
Then as for the performance, you know, I was like more reluctant. I wasn't so much into music, like as in going out public to the people. You get it? It's something that I was doing for fun.
All right.
You know, I didn't want to like come out. You know, you get it. At church, of course, I would actually sing at church. You know, I was in the choir at church, and I would perform. People knew that I could sing. You get it? And but you know the story.
That's an interesting story. So, are you married?
Yeah, I'm married, man. I'm a family person, bro.
All right.
I'm
Because
a family person,
the problem now is that the viewers there's somebody actually waiting to see if he's not married. I'm just gonna DM him and send him a message and just say hi and see.
Unfortunately, I'm taken.
Yes,
I'm taken.
You heard it. The man is taken. The man is taken. Please, ladies, stay away from toothpick. All right. So yeah, man, I was playing a song called Mpe Love. So Mpe Love, were you singing for your wife on this one?
Yeah, Mpe Love is actually a dedication song, to my wife, obviously.
Yeah. So, how did you write the song? Were you first? I think you got love, then you said, hey, mommy, let me write a track for you.
Exactly.
Let me write a track for you.
Just by looking at her, man, many other times when I got it inspired, like when I'm looking at her, I'll be like, oh, yeah.
I should write something about her.
Just that assurance that she is the one for me and for life. You get it?
Well.
That's where I draw my inspiration from.
Yeah,
you
man.
Get it?
Yeah, man.
She's the one, man. Then words will just come out. You understand what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
Yeah, man.
Let me drop another track here. I called Anzi Vanachi. So what wayenda? All right.
Exactly.
So what wayenda? Right. Okay. Let's play this one.
Muti muda kuyenda kundisiyane wana ndozvigona seindeka kana panete ndakagaza ndiutse ndichinje kuriritira mburi ndinozama ndizisimbe chinuna chino zvamudoda ndokupaiwana kubhedhurumu kwacho inga ndokuguseiwana saka munoda ndirisere zvaunoti uenda kusiye tokabata nekuda kuombera baby zvaunoti uenda ndizoyere chichamawana kunze chandiska kubimba muchenjerecha waima chese arizi goridhe ndinoda mukunde muyezo musafuririke kana vakuru vanoti zingizi kunyira pamwe maruwa yenyika sara uda umapedzi saka ita zvakwadanga ndimbokumanikitse ndiwe wanwa ndakada nyangwe usika chandide
Yeah, man. So what wayenda from the man Toothpick. This is a sensitive a topic here we are talking about right here. So what wayenda?
Yeah, man. Yeah, it really is, man. It really is. There is a close friend of mine who was actually, on the verge of getting a divorce, that kind of stuff, man. When he was like telling me what was what he was going through, and the whole situation, man, I was like, I just put myself in his shoes, you get it, and try to feel how he was feeling, you get it. And that's how I came about with this song. Like, he was really down, and he was trying to convince his wife, like, let's get back together, let's try our level best to make things work between us, that kind of thing, you get it. So I just put myself in his shoes, then I came up with this song, man.
All right.
That's
so,
how, yeah.
Toothpick. Yeah, you said your wife inspires you a lot, right?
Yeah, man, she does, man. She does.
I mean, like, who else, inspires you? Like any other artist or and other people.
Yeah, man, I've got a lot of artists that inspires me, man. Just to mention a few, man, there is my elder Mankind, man.
Mankind, yeah.
He's that kind of a person that I would want to do a collab with. You know, he really inspires me, man. And there is this guy, of course, you might know him or you might not know him. He's MarshalMak, you know, he's my, he's you know, he inspires me a lot, man. He inspires me a lot.
Nice to know.
Yeah,
nice
man.
to know.
And,
this is your first time telling the truth, man. You know, you usually lie, you know.
Okay,
right.
okay. Now that you know.
Right. So, where else have you recorded your tracks other than MK Records? Because I know you've been working with MK Records, I think since 4 years back, right?
Yeah.
So, where else?
4 years or even, I think it's now, how long have I known you, bro?
I think it's close to 5 years, but
exactly,
like for recording, I think it's like 4 years.
Exactly, yeah, you're right about that. Yeah.
Where else have you recorded your tracks?
Yeah, I mean, I've worked with a couple of producers that I respect as well. I've worked with X Factor 224 Sound Minds, you know him, and I've worked with his name now, Don Ice, Two Kings Big Ship.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, and just to mention but a few.
You also worked with Nubu, right?
Yes, exactly. I've worked with Nubu as well.
Right,
yes,
right.
I've worked
it's
with.
It's nice to work with other people.
Exactly.
All right. So I've got a song here called Nerera. Before I play the song, you know, let's talk a bit about the song Nerera. I think Zimbabwe. I think 85% of the people in Zim, most of them are Nerera.
Exactly.
Maybe one father is gone, or maybe mother is gone, something like that. You understand? So, what inspires you, or what made you to write this?
On that one, you know. To tell you the truth, as for that song, I think it's way too personal. You see, my mom passed on when I was only in grade 3. Then my father passed on when I was in grade 5. So you know, I grew up an orphan. You get it. But my siblings, they were there for me. You get it. Since I'm the last born in my family, they were there for me. You know, the first born in my family was more like my father. You get it. Because he took that responsibility of being, you know, the father to all of us. You see.
Yeah, man. Okay, let's play Nerera and then we can talk further.
Andaiziuzwa ndaizviramba ndaiti vanhu vohumana twakawanda ndakazoziva rizijeva nguvafa ndipo pandakaona kukosha kwamai nababa apa weukama wovhutirana nhaka upenyu hwenherera ufazinikisi ndakazvionera luzi yairi ripiti chengetwa chikwereti kana asi mubereki ndakazvionera ai kukosha kwemubereki nherera inoguta musi wafama ndakazvionera ai kukosha kwemubereki nherera inoguta musi wafa baba vabereki kufa wotoziva zvashanduka
That's Nerera from Toothpick.
upenyu yebasa wenongo havalume chero zviomese gunun'ona ngakugume nekuti kuchema hakuunze vabereki bheki seri kwekuwa mnamato yeko ndefeke kana uchinawo wabereki wako zvese ndakazvionera ai kukosha kwemubereki nerera ino.
Yeah, man, Nerera. Okay, Toothpick, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, that's you would have to be a visionary for you to, you know, to answer that question. And so since I am one, it's easy.
Yeah.
I was born for greatness, man.
Yes, man.
So in 5 years, man, I know I'll be somewhere like I'll be up there, brother.
On top.
I'll be up there, man. Since I believe in making things happen, you know. Right. So I believe in 5 years I've got a song, man. I've got a song that would actually answer that question, brother. So, since you got me off guard, man, I'll just leave it to the
leave it to the song to explain everything.
Exactly, man.
Yeah, man. All right. Okay, so Toothpick, you said you would want to make a collab. Do a collab with Mankind.
Mankind. Yes, exactly.
You don't have any collab right now with him.
We actually did something, but it was more like a project that involved 3 guys. You get it? So I haven't done like
one-on-one collab.
Exactly,
I see.
It, yeah.
All right. So all right. Besides that, okay, that's all right. I know you. It's like the collab is on the way. I can actually see that.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right. So any new projects that you are working on that we can look up to or something?
Yeah, man, I wouldn't want people to expect much, but yeah, I've got something cooking, man.
All right.
Got something cooking.
Any singles? Or
there are a lot of singles that is gonna come out anytime from now, man. Yeah. I've done a lot of tracks, yeah.
All right.
That we're going to release anytime from now. Yeah.
All right. Music videos?
As for music videos, I still a work in progress, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, good, man. Good, man. All right. Unfortunately, time is jealousy. We all know that.
Time flies.
We gotta end it here. And I thank you so much for this moment that we shared.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, man. So yeah, we'll be together again next time when you have any project that is out. You should be telling the people that you've got something new.
Exactly.
And they gotta listen. So if you want people to see your work, whatever that you are doing, where can they go and how can they get your work?
Yeah, man, they can actually I'm on a lot of platforms as well. I'm on YouTube, so they just have to search Toothpick as in 2 digits 2 THPICK on YouTube.
Yeah.
Then and also I'm on Spotify as well. They can see my tracks as well on Spotify.
Right.
And also on Facebook. I'm there. They can my personal Facebook page, obviously, it's Praise Nuka. I didn't tell you my name, by the way. Praise More Nuka.
Yeah.
And I've got a Facebook page as well, Toothpick Music. That's where you can actually get my projects or my music.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Splendid.
Yeah.
Splendid. That's good. All right. So until we meet again next week on another episode of Let's Chat Music. My name is Marshall and I'm your host. I'm out.
Yeah.